towing a boat. That was at the Point Defiance boat launch. Police say the 36-year-old suspect, who was likely impaired, hit two other vehicles with people in them before police started chasing him. The chase then wound through Tacoma and ended after about 12 miles when the suspect collided with another car in South Tacoma. No one was injured. Police arrested the erratic driver, who faces a long list of charges, including DUI, possession of stolen property, 2 counts of assault, hit and run, eluding police, and there was a domestic violence felony warrant. Again, no one was hurt, but this did catch a lot of people's attention in Tacoma this evening. In just a few minutes,